Hi guys, in this tutorial I'll teach you how you can create a real estate website in Wix.com. Now there are a lot of website builders that you can use to create a website, but the reason I recommend you use Wix.com is first of all, it is totally free, and second is that it is very simple to create a website in Wix.com. You can literally create your own very professional looking website in less than 10 minutes. So open your browser and search for Wix.com and click the first link, that is their official website. Now it will take you to this page. Press this get started button and it will take you to a sign up page. Now if you are a newbie and you don't have a Wix account, you can create your account by entering your email and selecting a password, or you can connect with Google or Facebook. But I have account, so I am just going to press login and I'm going to add my email to login. Alright guys, once you create an account and login, it will take you to the sites page where you can manage all of your sites and you can create a new site. So if this is your first time using Wix.com, you will have no sites here, there will be nothing. So all you have to do is to create a website is to press this create new site button and it will open up a new page. So here Wix started offering AI services. Now you can create a website with AI, but I recommend you set up without AI because it isn't very difficult and AI isn't very accurate either. So here you can type this type of website you want to create. In my case, since we are creating a real estate website, so simply type real and it will give us real estate agency or real estate agent, consultant. You can choose anyone that you want and then select it. In my case, I'm going to go select a real estate agency and I am going to press continue. Once you do that, it will start preparing your dashboard. Now it can take a while, it all depends on your internet speed, but it won't take longer than 2 minutes. So as you can see, it has created a dashboard for us. Now here we can add our custom domain in order to make it look professional, but we can skip it and we can leave it for later. So alright guys, once you are on this page, you can just simply cross it or you can skip it and it will take you to the website builder. Here, as you can see, it gives you the option to add your custom domain. Now, I really recommend you use custom domain in order to make your website look professional, but it isn't free. You would have to purchase a domain, and secondly, we can do it later, so we can leave it for later and let's just create a website now. So in order to design your website or create your website, all you have to do is to press this design site button on the top right corner and it will take you to a new window. And here you can generate a design with AI, or you can pick a template. I recommend you pick a template because there are a lot of templates that you can use. So here, as you can see, we've got a lot of templates relevant to real estate agencies that we can use for our business. As you can see, there are 3 pages and all of them have real estate templates. So you can choose any template, and in case you want to see how the website is going to look, you can press this view button, so you can get an idea of how the website is going to look. If you want to see how the website will look on computer, you can select this computer button. If you want to see how it looks on a smartphone, you can press this smartphone button on the top right corner. As you can see, this is how the website is going to look. You can scroll down and give it a while to load up. It isn't loaded yet, but this is pretty much how it is going to look. Now there are a couple of pages: home, properties, news, team, and contact. Now if you like this website, if you like this template, you can press edit this site to edit this template. But in case you want to look for something much better, you can press back to templates button and it will again take you to the template section. Here you can select any other template that you think looks professional and is relevant to your business. So in my case, to me this one looks really good, so I'm gonna go press edit to edit this template and create my website. So it will take a while for everything to load up, as you can see. So once it's done, you can start editing your website. Alright guys, once it is loaded, as you can see, it has given us another AI feature to basically add content to our site, but I'm not going to use it and I don't recommend to use it either because as you can see, here it says that AI can make mistakes, so it isn't very professional. You can just cross it. Now we've got a bunch of tools. We can add elements, we can add sections, we can add pages and menu, we can add site design, we can even add apps, we can add our business, media, and CMS. Now they may look a bit complex, but trust me, this is one of the easiest website builders that exists. So you can just press anywhere and you get this view. You can scroll down and you can see how the template looks. So keep in mind that this is only the front page of your website. There are 3 to 4 pages that you can customize. So this is the first page. In order to view other pages, you can just go to this top right corner which says page, and you can press and you can see all the pages that are there, or you can add other pages as well. Now, in order to customize this website, you have to add your information in place of this information that is already there, because obviously this information isn't relevant to your business. So in order to add your information, all you have to do is to click where you want to make changes, or double click, and it will open up this window. Now you can go to any text and you can get these options. You have to press add text button, and you can add text of your choice. So I'm going to go add Prosland Real Estate Agency, which is my brand. Alright guys, that's perfect. So as you can see, I have added my information, my company name. Now I can increase its font, but as you can see, nothing is really happening. That is because the text isn't selected. You have to select the text in order to make changes. Now if you increase the font, as you can see, the font is actually increasing. You can make it bold, you can make it italic, underline, you can change its color. For me, I'm gonna go choose this color. It looks good to me. And you can even choose font. So if this font looks good to you, you can go this one. If this is something you're interested in, you can select this one. So basically you can change any font to which you want to change to. And additionally, if there is some font that you like to use that isn't already available, you can upload your fonts by pressing this upload fonts button. So you can customize your text, you can add effects, you can add character and space lining space, you can add vertical text, and you can add SEO. So this way you can fully customize your text in your website, and if these numbers you don't need, you can simply remove them. So you can simply double click and press backspace, and that's it, they're gone. Now one really important thing is that if you like to add your images, if this image doesn't look very professional to you, or you have better images, or you have your own images of property, you can add them by clicking anywhere on the background, and it will give you the option to change background. Now you have to press it and you get a bunch of options. You can add your image or your video, or additionally Wix.com offers some of backgrounds of from their library, so you can choose any background from their library. So you can choose background from here, or you can add your own images. So if you want to add your own images, you can simply press this image section. Alright guys, as you press that image button, it will take you to this page where it says you can upload media. If you want to upload files from your computer, you can press this button and you can upload files from your computer. But they've also got Shutterstock library, Unsplash library, and Wix.com's own library. So you can search for any type of images you're interested in, like real estate maybe. So you search for real estate and you get a bunch of options that you can use. So you can select images from there, you can upload your own images, and that way you can change the background image. So that's it. Once you added your images and you have updated all of that text that you want, this is basically how your website's gonna look. In contact us form, you can add any specific fields that you like to, like you can add address 1, address 2, you can add first name, last name, or anything that you like your clients to submit. You can add your email, you can add your telephone number by double clicking on it, and you can just add your email or your phone number. So that's how you do it, and you can add your email. So that's how you do it. And so this way you can customize text, you can add your own images, you can add your own videos to make your website look relevant to your business or make it look professional. Now guys, we have customized one page, but since there are multiple pages in our website, as I already mentioned, we have to customize all of those pages to our website. So in order to see how many pages are there, you have to click this button that says pages and menus, and it will show you how many pages you have. So currently we have a home page, which is the front page of our website. Then we've got a gallery in which we can add all of our images of our sites or properties. Then we've got an info page in which we can add our info. Then we have got a video tour page and then a contact page. So we have customized home page, but if you like to add pictures in gallery page, press it and here you go. So this is the second page, the gallery page. Here you can add image of your property. So if a client is interested in these images, they will then contact you and you can make a sale. So in order to change these images, you can press on them and you can get this manage media button. Press on it and it will give you the option to change these images with your own images if you like to. Alright guys, as you can see, it has presented all of the images that are currently available on our website. So these are the images that are currently uploaded to our website, but we can add new images by pressing add media button. We can add image, video, or we can add text. So if you want to add image, you press this button. You can upload your image. You can add image from their library as I have shown you before. If you want to remove any of these images, you just have to press these three dots. You can remove it, you can edit it, you can replace it with your image. So I want to replace it with another image. I go to media from Wix or Shutterstock or Splash. All of them are basically free. You can choose anyone you like. So I want to change it with some real estate image. So this image looks cool to me. I want to change it with this image. All I have to do is to press on it and I have to press click this button called add to page, and this will take a while, but it will, as you can see, it has added this image in place of that image that was previously there. So now all you have to do is to press done and it's done. So it'll take a while, but as you can see, it has added this image. It'll take a while to load, but when it's done, it's all good. So this way you can customize your second page by adding your videos or photos of your properties so your clients can see what you're selling. And then if you want to customize the next page that says info, you can add all of your info. You can press info page to go to here. Here you can add your information by as I've already told you. If you want to edit it, double click and type anything you like and you can customize it. Or you can add you can customize this one, anything you like. Then to customize the next page, press pages and press video tour. Here you can add videos so that your client can see videos of your property, and you can do that here. So it isn't loaded up yet, but you can refresh it, and once it's loaded you can add your videos here. And now I'm going to go to the last page, that is contact us page. That is the most important one, since our clients are going to contact us with this page. You can add any information that you like your clients to submit. You can add additional information, you can add them. So that is how you get their information. So this is the contact us page. You can customize it by removing this today one. If you like to make it look professional, you can just write it as contact us, or you can add a, that's perfect. Now you can customize it according to the way I told you, and that's it. That is how you create a real estate website using Wix.com. As you can see, the image that we selected from Wix library, it has now appeared, and now our clients can see it. So this way you can add images, you can add videos, you can add your text to your website. So your potential buyers can come to your website and they can buy real estate from you. Now once everything is done, you have customized it and you are finished, you're happy with the finished product, all you have to do is to publish this site, or you can preview it to see what it looks like. If you want to preview it, it will give you another page that'll show you how your website's gonna look. Alright guys, so this is as you can see, now we're in preview mode. This is gonna tell us how our website's gonna look. So you scroll down, this is how your website's gonna look to your buyers. Here are the images that we added, and this is the information. Here you can add a video of your property. If you are not happy with this video, you can change it by pressing back to editor button, and it will give you the option to change the video as I told you earlier. Now here is this contact page, and I am pretty much happy with this website, so I now want to publish it. In order to publish it, you have to press this publish button. By the way, you can also see how it's gonna look on mobile. If you want to see how it's gonna look on smartphone, you can press this mobile button to see how it's going to look on smartphone. So once you're happy with the product, all you have to do is to press this publish button, and it will make your website ready to be published. Alright guys, as you can see now our website is published and it is live, and anyone can view our website. It is available on the web. This is the link, so anyone with this link can view our website. So all you have to do is to press done, and that's it. So this is how you create a real estate website in Wix.com. I hope this tutorial was helpful. We'll see you in the next one. Thanks. By the way, just gonna teach you how you can go to your own website. So you just enter your website's URL and it will take you to your website that you just created. Alright guys, as you can see, this URL has taken us to our website, in which there is our information, everything that we added. The photos I haven't loaded yet, but this is it. As you can see, the phone number that we added, 000, everything is there. So if our clients wants to purchase from us, they can just go to our website and make a deal with us. So this is how you create a website with Wix.com. By the way, there is Wix branding on the top. If you want to remove this, all you have to do is to purchase their paid plan. So that won't be free anymore, but that will remove this one. But if you're happy with this branding on the top, you can use their free version. So this is how your website looks. I hope this tutorial helps. We'll see you in the next one. Thanks.